Welcome to the Hostinger Coupon Code channel. I want to start by saying that finding the right hosting provider is genuinely a life-changing decision for your online journey. And today I'm here to make that choice both easier and more affordable for you. I've been using Hostinger for over 7 years now, and I can tell you from the heart this is one of the most heartwarming experiences I've had with any tech service. They've been consistent, reliable, and truly beginner friendly since day before. That long track record isn't just a number, it's proof that Hostinger has been a useful partner for millions of website owners around the world. Now here's the most informative part of this video, so pay close attention. If you use a normal coupon code, you will get only a 10% discount. But if you use my special referral link, which I have placed right in the description box, the 20% discount gets applied automatically. That's double the savings, and I've made it enjoyable and completely hassle free for you by organizing the links by country in your local language and currency. Hostinger also offers free SSL, a free domain with their hosting plans, and a calming 30-day money back guarantee so you can sign up with complete peace of mind. Just head to the description, click your country's link, and you'll land on Hostinger's official website. Browse their hosting plans, and you'll see my referral discount already applied at checkout. One important tip before you go, always sign up with a fresh email address that hasn't been previously registered with Hostinger to ensure the discount works perfectly. If this video was inspiring and helped you save money, please give it a like and subscribe for more deals.